United Community Bank offers various credit cards, like Everyday Points Visa or Visa Classic, with benefits like no annual fees, introductory APRs, and reward points on purchases. Simple steps to apply. 1. Visit a branch. The easiest way is to visit any United Community Bank branch in person. A banker can guide you through the application process. 2. Apply online, if available. Some cards may offer an online application option through their website. Check the specific cards page. You might need to be a registered online banking user first. 3. Download and mail, fax, if available. Some cards might have a downloadable application form you can print, fill out, and mail or fax in. 4. Call to apply. For existing customers, in some cases, existing customers might be able to apply over the phone. Check the specific card details. Note, you'll likely need to provide personal information, income details, and identification during the application process. Contact United Community Bank directly for the most accurate and up-to-date application methods for the specific card you are interested in.